And welcome to You Old and Retro. My name is Vincent. Welcome to another video. And today I have an unboxing of the Manfrotto Pixi Mini Tripod. I mean, in the world of tripods, Manfrotto is probably one of the biggest players out there. I mean, they've hit a lot of. In more recent years, the Joby series of Gorilla tripods has really sort of probably eaten into their market share a little bit because of the flexibility of the system. I mean, here I'm filming on a Joby Gorilla pod, one of the first generations I ever had from years and years ago, and basically Manfrotto have, however, basically not adapted in the same way. They've retained their, I suppose, their name by still continuing to make quality products, lightweight, really handy to use products. Basically, that shows their, I suppose, their Italian roots. I mean, the whole thing does say designed in Italy. It might be made in China or other countries, but overall, that's where it is. On the back, this Pixi tripod is mainly for, I suppose, like holding for vlogs, or like mini tripod for up to like not quite this digital SLR. I mean, it does say digital SLR, but some digital SLRs are quite heavy. But I think it's rated for about 1.5 kilos, something like that, if I remember correctly. But obviously, anything else with some sort of clip or anything like that would work perfectly. And the whole thing about this system that probably won it it's the Red Dot Award winner is the sort of jiggly ball joint that they have here, which has been their key feature. So without further ado, let's get this unboxed. Just gonna pull out my knife. Now I find the best way of unboxing things like this is actually looking at this now, and they've actually got points which I can rip off, which is a first for me, but doesn't seem to work very well because they put the features in and it doesn't. Wow, the whole thing doesn't work. I mean, come on, this thing is designed to sit on a shelf to be anti-theft proof, but that's just horrendous packaging. So we'll take this part out. I mean, let's see what it does actually include. It's got some cardboard in this. It looks like it's other grade Manfrotto products. So it basically shows the compact tripod range, the Illumi Light, and some Style Plus bags, some 5-year warranty stuff. Here we go. Maximum body weights of 650 grams or 1.4 pounds. So you don't really want something which is sticking out massively, and obviously moving it around, you don't. So maximum total payload is 1 kg, so that's what I recommend for something like this. But none of my equipment really runs that high, so that's fine. Piece of cardboard, nothing, put away. I don't put it itself. So I'll drop this out. Is surprisingly solid. I mean, it's metal. I thought it was plastic when I first saw this, but it's cold, actual metal. It's really solid. I mean, wow, actually it does hold up really well. I mean, look at that. Folds up in an instant. No fuss. Stick it out. And wow, this thing is solid. I mean, it's a fixed joint head. So, press this in and whew. What they've done is basically they've got little gradient grips. I can't know if you guys quite see it. Built onto the ball joint itself, which is what I believe the grip system holds onto. Obviously, it stops it from moving totally at all. and then you can just use it to grade how much you want to see things, or you want to flex it like this. Definitely a quality piece of kit. I mean, this thing, over the top it does use some plastic elements, as you can see here. Although even the rubber is super grippy. I mean, if I grab my A6000, which is probably the heaviest camera I have, just quickly screw this on. I mean, let's chuck this on now. I mean, just twist this slightly, joint it out. I mean, nice. I was expecting this to tip forward, and then because I've got the 2 feet sort of away from the lens, but yes, it would probably tip forward if I had a lens that was more weightier. I'm just showing you now, but I reckon if I just twist the ball joint a bit more and just put the stick sort of in between here, that's perfect. Look at that. The stability in this is insane. I mean, I've got the triple Pro, that the tripod monopod type thing, and that works really well. I mean, this is, look at that. That is a solid piece of kit. I mean, I can see myself using this quite a lot. It really doesn't move. I mean, the whole thing it's really flexible. I mean, you can get up to a certain degree of angling with this. So that's really nice. It's not quite as flexible as, say, the ball joint with the I can do an L shape. But overall, I can't see myself folding this for most of the shots that I would need to do. I mean, if you were doing 180-degree shots, you probably won't be needing a tripod like this. You need a proper one which can do that sort of angle of the shot. So I can't really criticize that. But overall, this thing is probably worthy of its Red Dog winner. I mean, it's lightweight, but not that light. It is, because it is made out of metal. You are sort of justifying its weight there. I mean, it's great if you had an action camera. You can just do this and do your vlogging or whatever. But you can also hold it up fairly easily, just for normal purposes. Really good piece of kit. Definitely worth the money. I mean, I believe the Pixi ones getting a bit cheaper now. They do a variant of this, which I think is the Evo series, I believe, which the legs extend out a bit more. That one doesn't seem to have such the best reviews because it's not as solid. I mean, this essentially is a solid piece of aluminium, I believe. I mean, it's definitely made out of metal, and it's rubberized to the point that I don't think these things, yeah, it's glued in. Definitely no issues with this. Holds up well. Definitely recommend this as a normal tripod for day-to-day use. So thanks for watching. Hope you subscribe, and look forward to another video. Goodbye.